Math 3, final benchmark, question 17. Consider the circle. If points W and X are endpoints of the diameter of the circle, what is the value of X? All right, so it's saying that this part here, I don't know if I can draw a straight line or not. Let's see if I can draw a line here. All right, it's saying that is the diameter of the circle. It moved a little bit, but that's okay. All right, so the diameter means it cuts the circle in half, which means it's 180 degrees for this side. So this is 180 degrees, so that's useful information when we're trying to find out what X is. All right, so we know that this is an inscribed angle, and we know that an inscribed angle is going to be half of the arc measure. So we can set this up. So let's set this up as 4x plus 18 is equal to half 180. So 4x plus 18 equals 90. Let's subtract 18. 4x is going to be equal to 72 and divide by 4. So x is equal to 18. So it's going to be, what is the value of x, not the angle? So the value of x in this case is 18. Again, you have to know that the diameter cuts the circle in half and that makes that side equal to 180 degrees in order to set this up and solve. So question 17, the answer is A.